everyone, in this video we are going to see the concepts of simple interest. What do you mean by simple interest? The simple interest, which is an amount calculate for the particular loan or principal. So, how we can calculate the simple interest? SI is equal to PNR divided by 100. So, here P is your principal, that is loan amount which we borrowed from the money lenders, and N means number of years. N means number of years. R means rate of interest. So, this is the formula of finding the simple interest. So, principal, number of years, rate of interest. So, according to this, we can get the answer of simple interest for a particular principal amount. We have another idea also. For example, we have another idea also. What does that means? The principal amount is 10,000. Here, our rate of interest is 10% per annum. For per annum, 10%. So, what is your 10% of 1000? Sorry, 10,000. What is your 10% of 10,000? That is 2020, 10 into 100,000 rupees. This is the SI amount. SI amount of 10,000. For if it is 2 years means it will be 2,000. For 3 years means it will be 3,000. So simple interest, the interest rate does not change at any time. If the 1,000 rupees is your interest rate means it will be continued till the number of years. So we have another idea. What does that means? We can consider this principal amount as 100%. We can consider this principal amount as 100%. Then SI will be your interest rate. For example, 5% per annum means there are number of years is 3 years means. Therefore, your simple interest rate is 15%. So, we can calculate what is 10% of, for example, principal is here 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now, your simple interest is 5% per annum. For 3 years means it will be 15%. So, 15%, what is 15% of 1,000 rupees? 10% is 100, 5% is 50. So, 150 is your answer. This is the SI for 1,000 rupees. So, whenever we want to find the SI amount, we can consider this principal amount as 100%. If it is SI means it will be here depends upon your rate of interest. If it is rate of interest is 10% means number of years is 2 means your simple interest will be 20%. So, therefore, your maturity amount, that is total amount, total in the sense at the end of the timing, at the end of the number of years, principal plus SI, this is called as total maturity amount. What is your principal? In the name of percentage, it will be 100%. What is your SI? For example, here I am taking SI is 20% for 2 years. So, therefore, the maturity amount will be 120%. See, by using the percentage method, we can easily calculate the questions. We can see the questions one by one. In how many years will a sum of money becomes 4 times at 6% simple interest per annum? We don't know the principal amount. We don't know the SI amount value here. We don't know the number of years. We have only one idea, that is 6%. Simple interest rate is 6%. We can consider one example. If I am taking 1,000 rupees as SI means it becomes, a sum means principal. the principal becomes 4 times. 4 times means the end of the maturity level, it become 4,000. Therefore, we already know the principal. Here we are considering the principal amount as 1,000 rupees. So, principal amount is 1,000 rupees means SI plus principal is 4,000. What is your principal here? 1,000. Therefore, your SI will be 3,000. See, we already know the formula. SI is equal to PNR divided by 100. Here what is your SI? 3,000. We can take any value. Whatever value, the answer will be same. What is your principal? 1,000. We don't know the number of years. What is your rate of interest? 6 by 100. So cancel it. 0, 0, 0 and 300 by the multiplication 6 will become here. It will be divisible. So number of years, this is 1 time, this is 50. So number of years is equal to 50 years. 50 years time will taken for the principal become 4 times. So your answer is option C. So this is the example how we can calculate the SI for given years, for given principal without knowing the principal amount and SI amount. Here we are calculating the number of years. Okay. Now move on to the next question. In how many years will a sum of money double itself at 25 by 4% simple interest per annum? We can consider the principal amount is 1,000 rupees. We don't know that. Anyway, we can consider principal amount is 1,000. Therefore, principal plus SI, it will become doubles means it will become 2,000. In this 2,000 having principal amount as well as SI amount. So, what is your SI amount here? Sorry, what is your principal amount here? 1,000 plus SI, it will be 2,000. So, therefore, SI will be here 1,000 rupees. So, I can write it as SI of this question is 1,000 rupees because the sum of money becomes double times. What is your rate of interest? This is 25 by 4. What is your number of years? We don't know that. Therefore, SI is equal to PNR divided by 100. What is your SI here? 1,000. Principal amount is 1,000. Number of years, we don't know that. That's why we are calculating here. And rate of interest, the question itself given the data, 25 divided by 100. 0, 0, cancel. Then 250 by 10 into 25. 250 by 4. It will become here means 4 by 250. Which is equivalent to n. This is 1 time, this is 4 times. 4 4s are 16. So, number of years is equivalent to 16. In 16 years, the principal will become double itself. So, option C is your correct answer. Yeah, this is the example of how we can calculate the number of years without knowing the principal as well as SI. So, based on the data, we can equate in the formula SI is equivalent to PNR divided by 100. Thank you for watching.